Hi, in this video I am going to explain my ninth experiment in web technology lab. Here we have the question. Yeah, in this lab exercise we need to work with Ajax. That means Ajax means asynchronous JavaScript and XML. XML means extensible markup language. In this, as previously we have done, that means in the eighth experiment we have created login page and sign up page. In this, working with Ajax means if your username is already exist in our database, it should show. That means username exists. If username that not entered in the database, it should show the username does not exist in this. In this, the output page should look like this. That means if you entered Johnny, username already exists. In this, if the username does not exist, it should show the username does not exist. I will show the code for that. Here we have the code. Yeah, in this, it will check the code first. If you are entered your name and you are connecting the database to this, if the connection is true, that means after that it will. If connection is not true, it will show the error, and it will show which the database which I have used in the database. The name is company. If the input does not equal to null, it will in the SQL statement, that means it select star from username where username exists, like, because in company which I have created the company, it will check all the columns and rows in that with the whether the username compares, it compares the username. That means if the username is equal to the in the database, it will show the username. mm, it will it will compare this rows, that means in rows and columns. If username is already exist, it will show username already exist. If it not exist, it will show this username not exist. And if we run the code, it should the output should like this. Yeah, here I am using as Vamsi. Yeah, see here, while I'm entering only its username that does not exist in the database, it will display as like this. And password I am giving, then password. If I click the register, that will show as my name. And if you are giving this, if I will give this same name again, it will show, that means username, it will show already exist. See, it is the extensible of this eighth experiment. In that we will explain about this. We had explained already about the sign up page and login page, everything. This is the output of the page which what we required. Thank you.